Hey YouTube, this here is my 1999 Toyota 4Runner, and I recently purchased this vehicle, and in the trunk I found something strange. So in the trunk of the vehicle I found this piece. I knew it was some sort of cover. I wasn't sure if it was for the seatbelt or really where it went. Even when Googling the part number, I couldn't figure out where it went, but as you can see here, this is the back side, has two plastic clips, and the part number is 71629-35010. And so just in case you need a replacement part. But upon further research, I learned that this is actually the back seat hinge cover. So if you come here to the back seat of your 4Runner, as you can see, there's these little bolts, and there's 4 of them that hold in the 2 back seats. So if you notice, all 4 of mine are missing. So I went to the junkyard. I actually found a 98 4Runner, and then I took the 4 covers off. So now I have a total of 4 covers. So as you can see here, I picked up those 4 covers from the junkyard. They're all the same color, all the same part number. They do have minor scratches, but that's not a big deal. Alright, so looking at it here, I pressed the first one into place. There is an up and a down. As you can see, there's like a shorter side and a longer side. The longer side goes towards the up of the vehicle. So let's put on the other 3. So take the longer side. Like I said, there's just 2 clips, so hook in the bottom one and just press it on there. There's another one. Now we're here on the other side, so I'll just take the bottom clip, push down, and then clip this one in. So hook it just like that, and then push. You'll kind of hear it snap. It's not a very subtle snap, but there is a snap. And then now I have all 4 of them installed. And as you can see, that looks a lot better. Just a minor detail, nothing crazy. But I guess these things probably just fall off often. That's why I was missing a few. So I got those 2 installed. And then I also got those 2 installed. And when the seats fold up, if you're going to fold down the back seat, they shouldn't pop off. So I'll be watching for that. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.